Hello, creative mind. Cut this funnel or A-line fitted sleeve with me. So the first thing you are going to need is to get your sleeve length. Make sure it's a long sleeve length, okay? Then once you are done with that, you get your biceps and your wrist measurement. And the last measurement is your armpit. Now my armpit measurement is 8.5. That's divided by 2, right? So now what I'm going to do is that 8.5, I'll round it up to 9. So then 9 inches now, I'll multiply it by 2, which is 18. So it means my 18 and my sleeve length are one of the two most important value which you are going to be using on the sleeve now. Now, once you place your pattern on fold, you want to go ahead, measure 4 inches down from your top line. That is going to be your underarm point. Then you come get the midpoint of your pattern. Then once that is done, come down at that point by 1.5. Okay. Now, once that is done now, from the top arm point to that midpoint, which is to that 4.5 point, go ahead and measure and get the midpoint again. That's to 1/4. Now, we are going to go ahead and connect the 3 points. That's from that mid arm, then to the underarm now. Okay, so if it looks like it's not well blended, guys, you will need to go ahead and do it again. Make sure that it is well blended. Now, once that is done, the next thing we are going to do is to measure 8 inches down. This is to help us in understanding where to place our bicep measurement. So my bicep circumference, that's my round sleeve, is 14 divided by 2 plus 1, that's 8. So I've measured 8 there. Now over to my M. I'm using my wrist measurement here. So my wrist measurement divided by 2 is what I'll be using here, which is 9. So that's 4.5 on the M. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect the 3 points now together to the sleeve, and all the way shall we connect the 3 points together. Now once that is done, the next thing we are going to do now is remember the type of sleeve you are making, a funnel sleeve or a fitted A-line sleeve. So we need that M to give us that A-line effect. So you want to go ahead and determine where it's going to start from. So for me, I measured 7 inches upward from my M line to connect that straight line, which is going to guide me in understanding where my shape on the sleeve stops or starts from. Now at the M, we are going to come and have an M extension. You measure 2 or 3 inches forward depending on what you want, but I feel 3 inches is okay. Once that is done, you go ahead, connect it and blend it just like you see me doing. Now we come down to the M, come up by ½ inch. This is the normal thing we do when we are sewing A line or cutting A line. We do it to have a well and rounded shaped M, so that it doesn't look pointy when you are done sewing. And once you are done, that is it, guys. So you can go ahead and cut your draft out. So just go ahead, cut it out. Make sure if there's any point that you needed to shape and you refuse to, make sure you've done that. So once you are done cutting it out, you can see what we have. That is it. So that is simply what we have, guys. So I hope you enjoy watching.